Happy Friday with friends. Cocktails optional. I went for a cocktail this time around. I wanted to celebrate and give a toast to my friends, to Tiffany, Lance, and Donna. I'm so thankful to have them, and I'm so thankful to be able to do these Fridays with them. I really look forward to them. They're just the best. So what I did this time is I did a triptych, and I wanted to swipe some more, and I added a bunch more stones, and I wanted a lot more cells, and I wanted to add some of that men and wax stuff, but I didn't have any. But what I did have was this Rust-oleum Stain and Polyurethane in the color Antique White. So I mixed this 1 teaspoon per ounce of Flotrol into my Van Dyke Brown, and it didn't change the color at all. I guess this is very transparent since this is a stain. So it worked wonders, and I got really great results and really great sales with and lacing with it. So I'm going to let y'all watch that, and I'll see you here at the end. Mwah! Love y'all. So I happen to have this failed waterfall pour that I did just hanging around that still had its push pins in. So I thought I'd just go ahead and use this canvas and pour over it. So I'm just using my gloves to paint the edges of the canvas so it's all ready. And the colors I'm going to be using is Deco Art in matte metallics, in bronze, and also copper. And then the gold I'm going to use is from Yanya in Slovenia that I can't pronounce, so she gets a shout out every time I use it. I'm also using some extreme sheen in the sapphire and Liquitex Basics in the cadmium yellow deep. And then you'll see me swiping with that Van Dyke Brown with the Flotrol and that Rust-oleum Stain and Polyurethane. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the music, and we'll see you at the very end.
Woke up from a dream without a sun. The world was upside down and you were gone. I couldn't see, it's all in me. Still falling in a dream down in me. Waking up in my cold sweat, feel like I am deep in debt without you. I'm sitting up in my lonely bed, wondering what I just said to you. I'm holding back the tide of waterfall. A single drip could make it all come down. I'm reaching up for you, higher and higher, higher and higher.
If you're enjoying my content, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll think about subscribing. It would really mean the world to me, and thanks a lot.
Of night and day, don't know where I've been or where I'll stay. Please say you'll be here with me. Still walking in a dream down in me. I'm reaching up for you, higher and higher, higher and
When the morning's standing at your door, brighter than all mornings come before. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. When the day is longer than the night, the road ahead is clear and in the light. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait.
Here I'm adding some copper, and then I'm going to add some tiger's eye, turquoise, some quartz crystal, and a little bit of that crushed mirror. It really looks so cool.
When the evening falls across the land and your lover's reaching you the hand, don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. Don't be late. We're breathing still. You are so
I really love this piece. I think it's really fantastic, and I hope you've enjoyed it too. And now I want to send you guys on to Donna from Hollywood at It's Art by Donna, and I want to wish you a lot of peace, love, light, and lots and lots and lots of laughter. And I love y'all. Bye-bye.